a crybaby. Let me fix my robe. So I wasn't, hold on. Oh, that's better. My robe keep coming loose. Okay. Anyway, so I wasn't planning on doing a makeup tutorial on this look, but I was like, the camera's up, I might as well. So today is my official birthday. We about to, oh, I'm making a mess. Okay. So today's my official birthday. I'm going to enjoy this day, think positive. I don't want no negative energy around me or, you know, nothing like that. So I am about to go to brunch. So I want, yeah, so I'm meant to, is it like brunch or, I don't know. I think it's brunch that made reservations for. So I just gonna have like a nice little meal and a cocktail, and then I need to come back because I have to, by 5 o'clock I need to be back in the hotel room to do a quick video, and then I'll probably, I don't know, get back Tuesday cup, I don't know. So I'm going to share with you my outfit. It's gonna be like a full year with me. I might as well. So I was, last night I was kind of weird. I wasn't like, I don't know how to explain my emotions, how I felt yesterday. Oh, well, last night I don't know, I wasn't in the best mood. I guess it was a lot on my mind. I don't want to be sad today because, like, you know, I'm getting older. I'm not where I want to be. So, like, you know, so I think that was getting to me, you know. But I feel like now, like this year, in the beginning of the end of last year and this year, I feel like I have been getting really focused on, you know, my store, Bourgeois Boutique. Bourgeois Boutique is a store that me and my mom created. So check us out. This robe is one of the new merches. So that's out the way. So anyway, I feel like we have been really pushing it. Me and my mom is pushing the business, and we've been getting more sales. Literally, like, all my vlogs were entrepreneur vlogs, the ones I just been hitting out, like shipping orders, packaging orders. Also with the YouTube, I feel like I have been so consistent. Like, it's been crazy. I've been making content, like, I've been doing vlogmas. I've been posting every day. So I feel like on that aspect, I'm doing, you know, I'm doing it. But I just wish that I was motivated like this when I was younger. That makes sense? Like in my early 20s, I wish I was just focused. And I was like, I never was focused. I was just, when I was younger, I was in a relationship that took all of my time and energy, and it was a horrible relationship. I'm so glad that, you know, I came to my senses. That was like right after high school, I think. First year of college, maybe, or second year of college. I don't know what it was. I was not my person. I wasn't me. You know what I mean? I don't know who I was in that relationship. I lost myself. And I feel like being in that relationship, it messed me up now because, well, I feel like since I was so caught up in a relationship, I wanted to, you know, that I wanted to be loved. I wanted somebody to want me. And since I wasn't focused on me, you know what I mean? So it's like, I'm thinking back, like, if I wasn't trying to be in a relationship and I was just focusing on my goals, I was, you know, focusing on business and school and all that, I wouldn't be where I'm at now. That makes, I know, I don't want to keep on saying like, I don't want to use it as a crutch, but I do feel like that was a downfall. And for anyone who's young, I feel like you guys should listen to me and don't be in a relationship. That's something. I'm not right now. Focus on yourself. You know what I mean? Focus on yourself. Cause I wish that I focused on myself. Cause like now I'm freaking almost depressed. That's why I needed to go to Vegas. Cause like the thought of me not doing anything for my birthday, I didn't like it. Cause everything in LA is shut down. So I'm gonna use my magnet lashes. I don't know. So I guess last night I was just thinking about everything, like everything in my life. And I'm single again. Oh. You know what I mean? Like I knew this last relationship, I felt it was not gonna last long. You know what I mean? I had that intuition. I had a feeling. I don't know how. I'm still angry about that. Oh Lord, I don't know. But he's supposed to be on this trip with me, but we broke up a couple months ago. We don't talk as much. Let me be honest, we don't really talk as much. And that's a whole new video, guys, about him. And he was on my vlog before because, well, I don't really have any following on YouTube yet, but hopefully I get a lot of more people following me. Let's see. I don't think I like this setting spray. I used this yesterday and my face was so oily. It looked like I was sweating. I don't think I'm gonna wear that one today. I don't like that. I'm getting hungry. So yeah, that's what happened last night. That's what was wrong with me. But I just want positive energy, positive vibes. That's what I want. And I want to stay focused. I was telling myself I'm supposed to create a list of things I want to do. Like I need to, what I want to accomplish this upcoming year. I supposed to did that list already. I should probably work, if I have time today, I might work on that. Oh, I need to put my dress on real quick. Okay, I need to put this dress on because it's like a turtleneck. Oh, okay, my hair. Okay, let me put the dress on and then I'm gonna come back and finish this makeup. I like the eyes so far. I'll put some lashes on though. I like the eyes. Okay, so hold on. Let me get this dress on. Hold up. I wish the dress was a little tighter. That's the only thing. But this is from Bourgeois Boutique, my store. This is one of the arrivals. Okay. So what were we talking about? What's my face? Okay. So overall, I'm having fun. You know what I mean? I'm staying busy. I'm having so much content, guys. I'm like, my goal was to make. I'm out here for what, 4 days, 5 days? No, 4 days. So, wait, how long am I? Anyway, so I had a goal. I'm like, I want at least 2 videos a day that I'm out here for content for YouTube. So I have so much footage, so like I have to edit all this too. So I've been editing a little bit here and there when I like have some downtime, so it won't be so overwhelming. But also I don't want to rush it, you know what I mean, because I feel like it's very important to me and all that. So I need to be mindful of the time. I have reservations at 2:30. So I need to be mindful of the time. Oh, Jen, I'm gonna play some music. Alright, I'm almost done with this makeup. I don't have any setting spray. I don't know if I should go pick up one. simple. I love it. I need to check the time. What do I want to add to this makeup? I'm gonna have to refresh it up tonight on makeup when I go back to this trip. But let me use my favorite gold deposit. It's all broken up. See, traveling with makeup is really hard. I'm really devastated about that one. I'm just gonna put it in here. Ugh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like my lips anymore. I was gonna show you, you know what, when I get back home, I'm gonna share how I did get the perfect nude. But I can just use some lip gloss. This is see-through. This is like the perfect, it's like a, let me just show you. I don't like this neither. I think we'll go bare lips. I think this is it. This is it. So I need to comb my hair. Oh, my hair is snappy. Damn, I get nappy. I'm trying to smile, so I want to cry. And it's not like I'm sad, like right now. I was in a good mood, like, okay. All right. Let me fix my makeup. I have about like almost 2 hours for my reservation. I don't know why I made it so late. So I'm gonna go do some pictures in the hallway. Like in the hallway is so pretty. I'm gonna share it with you. So let's go, guys. Wait, let me fix myself first. I'm such a crybaby. This lighting is really nice.